अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 6 द रिवार्ड की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। जॉर्कन सेड दैट अ मैन हु वांटेड टू सक्सीड had to be option A an athlete, option B a determined person, option C a lucky man, option D a hard working person. Option B is the correct answer, a determined person. सेकंड है द मैन हु कीप्स ऑन विंस डैश। ऑप्शन ए द रिवार्ड, ऑप्शन बी द रेस, ऑप्शन सी द शील्ड, ऑप्शन डी द ट्रॉफी। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, द रेस। थर्ड है he had be skating champion if he really gave. Option A some money, option B his passion, option C all his time to it, option D his energies. Option C is the correct option, all his time to it. Fourth है he hit on a most extraordinary ambition to be appointed dash. Option A an inspector, option B a magistrate, option C a clerk, option D a court acrobat. Option D is the correct option, a court acrobat. Fifth है at the age of 16 he won the dash. Option A high jump, option B the hurdles, option C the 100 yards race, option D high jump, the hurdles and the 100 yards. Option D is the correct option, high jump, the hurdles and the 100 yards. Sixth है Gorgias probably wanted to dash. Option A make his country powerful, option B prove his parents wrong, option C wear a splendid uniform, option D create a post of court acrobat. Option A is the correct option, make his country powerful. Seventh है when Gorgias was inaugurated the people applauded because he, option A had achieved his ambition, option B looked splendid in his uniform, option C performed on the hurdles and swings, option D defeated his enemies. Option A is the correct option, had achieved his ambition. Eighth है the great throne room had been turned into a kind of, option A swimming pool, option B gymnasium, option C stadium, option D race track. Option B is the correct option, gymnasium. Turbot dash. Option A asked Jorkins what was his own ambition. Option B believed Jorkins' story. Option C disagreed with Jorkins. Option D improved Jorkins' story. Option C is the correct option, disagreed with Jorkins. Gorgias achieved his ambition by option A building a skating rink, option B going into politics, option C getting an opportunity, option D winning the 100 yards. Option B is the correct option, going into politics. Question number 2 है mark the sentences true or false. First है they talked of money and determination. False. Gorgias wanted to prove his parents wrong. True. He went into politics to persuade them. True. The creation of a post of court acrobat would increase the glory of the country. True. It would inspire them to win the just rights. True. Many athletes competed for the post of a court acrobat. False. The magnificent uniform of Gorgias impressed them all. True. Everyone was sad on the inauguration. False. The band played softly. True. Gorgias looked up with a slightly sad impression towards the royal platform. True. Question number 3 है answer the following questions. First है what was the subject discussed at the club. इसका आंसर है the discussion was about opportunity and determination. Question number 2 है what did Turbot think of Jorkins' argument. इसका आंसर है Jorkins said that only determination was needed for success. Turbot did not agree with him. He said that opportunity was more important than determination for success. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, हाउ डिड जॉर्कन्स कन्विंस दैट अ मैन कुड बिकम अ स्केटिंग चैंपियन ऑफ द सहारा? इसका आंसर है, ही सेड दैट द मैन शुड अर्न मनी फर्स्ट. He should build a skating rink in the Sahara and organize a competition there. He would be a skating champion all right. Question number 4 है, how did Gorgias persuade his people to make his country strong? इसका आंसर है, he asked them to create a post of court acrobat. It would raise the glory of their country. It would strengthen their soldiers. Question number 5 है, what was the viewpoint of the parents of Gorgias? इसका आंसर है, his parents did not agree with Gorgias. They thought that only determination could do nothing. One should also have an opportunity for success. Question number 6 है, what were the arrangements made for the function of inauguration? इसका आंसर है, high swings were hung with gilded ropes. A row of neat hurdles was arranged. Lights glittered. A band played softly. Question number 7 है, describe the scene of inauguration. Write 3 lines. इसका आंसर है, the men and the ladies in brilliant dresses were standing in the shade. The doors opened with a flood of golden light. Then the old man in his brilliant uniform came in. Question number 8 है, what were the feelings of the Gorgias on the occasion? इसका आंसर है, Gorgias was very happy about his achievement. However, he behaved as a modest man during the celebrations. Question number 9 है, did Gorgias use any shortcut to achieve his ambition? इसका आंसर है, no, he did not use any shortcut to achieve his ambition. Rather, he had to work hard to get it. Last question है, for how long did Gorgias have to stick it, get his ambition achieved? इसका आंसर है, he stuck to his aim for a long time. He had to work for more than 60 years to get his aim. Question number 4 है, answer the following questions in 50 to 100 words. Question number 1 है, discuss the political views of Jorkins. इसका आंसर है, Jorkins says that a man should use politics for his benefits. It is a real politics. Many people would oppose him, but he must stick to his mission. Question number 2 है, how did Gorgias achieve his ambition? इसका आंसर है, he took part in politics. He stuck to his aim for a long time. At last, he achieved his mission. Question number 3 है, do you agree or disagree with the viewpoint of the writer? Give 5 reasons. इसका आंसर है, we agree with the writer that determination is needed for success. By determination, one can create opportunities for success. Many have opportunities but fail because they lack determination. Question number 4 है, why were the brilliant dresses put in the shade at the inauguration? इसका आंसर है, all the men and women dressed in brilliant dresses were put in the dark. It was done to show off the radiance of the man by setting it in contrast with darkness. Question number 5 है, what is the lesson of the story teaches? इसका आंसर है, it teaches us a lesson of hard work. We learn that we can achieve our aims by determination and continuous struggle. We learn how to create opportunities for success. Question number 6 है, punctuate the following lines. इसमें आपको यहाँ पे पंक्चुएशन करके दे दी गई है लाइंस की. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.